Welcome back, Douglas's Model Garage's videos here, and I'm doing a double unboxing for you guys, plus a little stash ads of some kits I recently got, and I may have a little obsession with certain car if you watch the video long enough. So let me dive right into the first box, and I will show you. All right, guys, we're gonna get it out of the box. The very first one of the double unboxing stash ads. There we go. There we go. Oh, what we got here? Pontiac Firebird. Very cool car. What year is this Pontiac Firebird? Oh, that's old. 1993 Be a Winner Sweepstakes. Oh, I wonder if I can still do this. Yeah, I wonder if I can still do this. Alright, guys, let me know if I can still do that. But we have a 1993 Pontiac Firebird with 275 horsepower V8, 5.7 liter. Goodyear Eagle GSC tires and detailed interior. Made in the USA. Let's see what the contents of the kit looks like. Oh, wow. This thing's wrapped up. Let's see what this is. We got the glass right here, as you can see. Purple purple paper over the glass. We have a bag of the body, bumpers, and the dashboard, and looks like interior, and a hood, and the rear wing. Okay. And we got the chassis, mechanical parts, engine, and rear deck to the trunk, and wheel backs and other suspension pieces. Okay. Then we got the 1993 Pontiac Firebird wheels right here, and engine parts and exhaust parts. Then we have the tires. Alright, since this is from 1993, let's see how good these decals are. Here they are. Oh, here's that. Oh, I love this kind of stuff, guys. When you get a new kid in and you see this kind of stuff, enter the AMT Be a Winner sweepstakes on AMT Blue Printer. Anybody have that? So you print that, and you gotta get it in before 12/31/93. So get into your DeLoreans and go back in time, guys. But we are gonna go check the next let's go to the next unboxing. So we got one vintage kit that's definitely gonna get a building. So alright, guys, well, I got it open. This one has a very unusual wrapping on it. So let me drag it out of the box and I will show you guys. So they have wrapped it up in some kind of bag right here. Let me get this bag off and I'll come right back to you. So we got a 97 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. Ooh, nice. Let's see what it says here. The front engine, rear wheel drive, 2-door, coupe, 350 cubic inch, 285 V8, horsepower V8, 6-speed manual, cast aluminum wheels, Goodyear GSSC 16-inch, Firebird and Trans Am emblems, and rear spoiler. Okay. And this one's made in Mexico in 1996, so very cool car. And, oh man, the bottom of the box is not impressive as a 93. Alright, guys. Well, that's the second unboxing. Now, I want to show you my stash outs. Alright, y'all. I got a 96 Pontiac Firebird Formula. This one is an open kit, but sealed inside. I will show you. And let's look at those stats again while we're looking at the box. Let's see. Front engine, rear-wheel drive, hatchback coupe, 275 horsepower, 5.7 V8, 0 to 60 in only 6 seconds, 60-speed manual, 3.23 rear axle ratio, 16 by 8 specific cast aluminum speed rated Goodyear. Eagle GSC, lower air package, lower aero rocker package, specific front appearance, and rear deck spoiler. And let's see what it says right here. See, it has a view from the rear, those tires and the rims, the engine, and detailed interior. We got instructions for it, and we got a printer, blue printer magazine. Got some decals that go on it. Got the glass right here, very clean. Just got to give a nice little washing, but very clean. Got that same chrome tree like the 93. Got the body, nose and bumpers, interior, back seat and hood. And we got the other parts right here, the mechanical stuff, rear end and all that stuff, and the lower chassis. And we got 4 tires. All right. And here's another kit I just bought recently. 94 Pontiac Firebird Formula. It's an open kit, of course, but sealed inside. So let me show you what we got. We got the same blue printer magazine advertisement here. Got the directions right here. Let's see if there's any. No. Okay. We'll find the decals later. Got front glass, back glass. That same chrome tree right there. And we got a body, interior panels, front and rear bumper, wing, seats, and door panels. Then we have a chassis right here, firewall and other pieces. So all that good stuff. And then we got the tail lights. And we got 4 tires. And these are the decals for it right here. So we have the stock decals, and then we have some custom-made decals, looks like. Formula V8, Pontiac, California, underneath the hood stuff. I could have those redone. Alright, and let's see what else we got for the next one. I recently bought this one from Hobby Lobby, the Atlantis 55 Bel Air. In my collection over here, if you see the one above the green 56 is the original Revell version, which was a junkyard one I built, which I should show off again in the video. But I want to try it again. So I bought this kit to build it again. And I believe I looked at it. I'm not sure. I don't think I got it at Hobby Lobby. I think I got it at a online. Yeah. So here's the kit right here. Very cool car. And there's the contents right there. Here's the chrome. Here's the other parts of it. And we got 4 tires in here, as you can see. So there's another one I recently got. I do like these Atlantis Chevy kits. So, these are actually the old Revell kits that everything opened. And I remember building the black. And like I was saying, I remember building the Revell black 57 Chevy with the 80s Corvette wheels around it. So, and this is another one I recently bought. This is a Nissan March, or in some countries a Micra, they call it. And this is by Fujimi. So this is actually originated in Canada, but sold in Canada, made in Japan. So that's unusual. And kit number, I think it's 03253, and it's ID number 69. And this is the first generation of them. And here's the paint numbers for them. And since I showed you what the other ones look like, so I'll show you what the decals look like. This is the decals for it. And we got the instruction manual. And we got the body, little tiny body. Here's those little tiny Nissan wheels. Glass right here. Cool little glass. And got the interior with left or right hand drive dash. And the interior cup, all molded in black. And it has separate trim pieces. So, cool little 90s car. And here's the last one that I picked up from the my eBay buy and spray, the Nissan March 14E 5-door. So this is a unique little one. They make a 3-door Nismo version of this. Let me open it up. So we're looking at this kit right here. Here's the instructions. There's the decals for it. Here's the little tiny body, slightly bigger than the other one. Here's the glass for it, very unique. And we got the chassis and front nose and body panels and suspension. And we got the tiny little rims. And we got the interior pieces and some body parts. Alright guys, and that's my stash ad haul for, so far of July. And I want to thank you guys for watching the video, and have a great day, guys. Alright, bye.